Stablecoins are the future of digital money. This is due to their stable price in the market and the fact that they are backed by fiat currencies like the dollar, precious metals like gold and silver. Stablecoins will enter daily life, but this will only happen if they find the proper infrastructure for activity. For example, stablecoins can be used in payment applications and software. They're becoming prevalent in different financial interactions, and transactions by businessmen and investors will also greatly help the development of cryptocurrencies. The use of cryptocurrencies in payment order programs and software will also be a great idea to promulgate the applications of stablecoins. Conventional cryptocurrencies face competition. This is due to the fact that the number of mined cryptocurrencies has a limited amount, in contrast to stablecoins. Also, ordinary cryptocurrencies are characterized by high volatility, in contrast to stablecoins. Stablecoins can reach greater success than cryptocurrencies by working on the security infrastructures of the users, ease of use in transactions and similar measures. However, cryptocurrencies are having trouble in reaching legitimacy. They lack enough price and value stability to attract users and the public. As a result, they cannot attract the opinion of the public, users, and investors as much as stablecoins. The future of digital money depends on us.